we are this is the video you requested. So here's the problem I'm having is, let's go here. Okay, as you can see, everything works. Okay. Now here under media, as you can see, there's nothing playing here. Gone into options, playback mode, nothing. Devices, as you can see, I've got memory card, USB. This is what the USB is, which is down here inside the console. And nothing happens. So let me show you some other settings. Now, as per your request, done this. That's on USB 1, USB. This is the version of the software I have. And let's see. If I play some media, let's say I play some music. There. You see that? No sound. Absolutely zero sound. Or I can even if I connect through Bluetooth, say of course, I mean, I'm using the phone, so I can't do it now, but there you go. And as you can see, again, there's no sound through Bluetooth also. So this is pretty much the problem I'm having, is I have no sound. Everything else works. That's my phone connected. Dashboard's working. Car life works. My apps are good. I got some new apps also downloaded, so I did the download. And Google Maps also works. As you can see, it loads. So basically, our issue really is that we don't have sound. So everything else is working fine. So please just look into this and let me know as soon as you can. Thanks.